Good morning, students. As you know, now our chapter name is linear equation in one variable. That is chapter number 2. Okay, class 8 mathematics. Okay, you see here chapter name linear equation in one variables. So first of all, we understand what is linear equations and how to identify the linear equations. Okay, because some of the students are might be confused. They cannot identify the linear equations. If they identify, they cannot solve the linear equations. So this is most important. Okay, how to find the linear equations and what are the solutions. So let's start. Linear equation in one variables. Okay, linear means this word indicate degree of equation should be 1. That equation is there, okay, and the degree of equation should be 1. That is most important things. Okay, number 2, equation. If in any expressions there is no equal to sign, that will be not a linear equations or equations. The equation means in expressions equal to sign should be there. This one, this sign should be there. That we can say that is the equations. There may be a linear equations, there may be a quadratic equations, there may be a cubic equation, but this equal to sign should be there. Okay, then we can say that given expression is a equations. Okay, next one variable. One variable means variable, generally we take variables x, y, z, u, v, m, n, o, p, q, etc. These alphabetical letters we considered as a variables. Okay, so either any one of the variables we can choose. Suppose x we can choose, or y we can choose, or z we can choose, etc. So these alphabetical letters are called variables. Only one variable is present in that equations. Okay, so in this way we can identify linear equations. Okay, then one most important things about degree. How to find a degree? That is the most important challenge. Na? How to find degree? Suppose we consider one equations, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Equal to sign is there, it means it is equation. Linear equation is not, it is linear equation or not. Let's see. What is variable included here? X. X is variable is there. Okay, so in variable, what is the value in front of this variable? 3. Right now, value in front of the variable is 3. So this 3 is called coefficient. Coefficient. Okay, this 3 is called coefficient. Any number which is written in front of the variables is called coefficient. There may be positive number, there may be negative numbers, there may be rational numbers, there is no problem. Okay, in front of the variables number written, that is called coefficient. Then in top side, right hand side, in top of the variables towards the right side. Okay, top of the variable towards right side. Here is the top of, means here. Okay, what is number here? Nothing is there, so we consider 1. If 2 is there, then 2. 3 is there, then 3. Okay, so nothing is there means here. So this is called power or degree. Okay, what is number written here? That is called power or degree. One more important things, degree means highest power of the variables which is available in the equations. Highest power of the variables. Okay, not lowest power. One more example I take here. This is one example, and another example. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 3. No problem. This is equations because equal to sign is there. Okay. 2x square minus 5x. What is variable here? X. Obviously we can see that. Yeah. In this term, power of x is 1 and in this term, power of x is 2. I already told power means towards top of the variables towards right side. That is the power na. So top of nothing is there means degree 1. Here 2. So what is highest power? 2. So its degree is 2. Degree is 2. So this is the linear equation, not linear equations, because degree 2 is called quadratic equations. Degree is 1 called linear equations. Degree is 3 called cubic equations. Okay. So linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. We can find out on the basis of degree. Clear? Okay. After that, we consider one questions of exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Question 1 we considered. Okay. Question 1 is that x minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. Solve the following equations. They are asking solve the following equations. Equation is what? X minus 2 is equal to 7. Solve the following equation means we have to find the value of x. Clear? We have to find the value of x. This is the meaning of solve the equations. Okay. How to find the value of x? So for that we have to identify what are the terms, variable terms or constant terms. Here you see towards left this is variable terms and this is constant terms, and here this is also constant terms. Clear enough? This is constant terms. Okay. For solving we have to separate the terms. Separate the terms means towards equal to one side all the constant terms should be there and another side all the variable terms should be there. So here in this equation only one variable terms is here and two constant terms 7 and 2. So we have to do this minus 2 is here, we have to transfer to this side. Okay. Means constant terms sent to the right side and all the variable terms sent to the left sides. Okay. When we send any terms from left side to right side or right side to left side, then sign will be changed. Is it clear? Once again I am repeating. When we send any one of the terms from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, then sign will be changed. Understood? Okay. Now see here. This minus 2 is here. If we send to the right side, it will be positive. So this x is as it is because we nothing to do here with x. Okay. So this minus 2 sent to here is equal to 7 is as it is. This minus 2 will be positive. Then x 7 plus 2 9. So this is the solution of the linear equations. It's very easy. For that we have to understand how many terms are there, what is the variable terms, what is the constant terms. Okay. One more example I taken here, or you can say the questions, there is no problem. Another one, 3x plus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, this is another linear equations. We have to solve this linear equations because here and there little bit different, because here coefficient of x is 3 and here coefficient of x is 1. Okay, so we'll understand once again. Here this is variable terms and this is constant term and this one also constant terms. So we know very well all the constant terms side another side. So this 5 sent to here. Clear? Here is 5 is positive. After sending it will be negative. So this 3x is as it is. This 1 5 goes to this side, it will be negative. Then 3x as it is. 1 minus 5, difference is 4, but this minus 5 value is greater, so answer is minus 4. Okay. Now next step. Here 3 is in the coefficient, or we can say 3 is in the multiply of x. Yes, na? 3 is in the multiply of x. If any value is in the multiply of x, send to this side, that will be comes in denominator. Okay, it means x minus 4 is as it is. This 3 goes to here, comes in denominator, means 4.3. So this is the solution of this equations. Understood? Yeah. Any value is in the multiple of variables, goes to another side, it will be in denominator. There is no need to sign change. Some of the students confused here. Is 3 is sending to this side and sign will be changed. Though this is a wrong concept, because we are not transferring the terms, we are just multiply or divide. Understood na? So in that case, sign will not change. Okay. One more thing. Suppose sometimes some value came in the downside of x, maybe. Okay. So that value, if any value is given in the downside of x, that will be multiplied to the another side. Okay. One of the questions we will solve later. So these two simple equations, linear equation in one variables, very easy. Okay. Thank you.